Hey guys, Cam from Auspit here. What we're cooking up today, I'm at home today. I do take days off, yes. I do get a little bit of rest time, but I'm always cooking. So we're cooking up on the Auspit Gold package today. We've got the fire tray going because I don't have the fire pit running today. We've got some gyro on, some chicken gyro with some beautiful charcoal in there. Now, a lot of people use heat beads on these units. Me personally, I prefer to just taste the charcoal and the smell of that charcoal burning. But what we are using for that lovely gyro is the this great Flaming Coals Greek seasoning, gyro seasoning. Some great stuff there from the Flaming Coals guys. We are also, to handle those hot coals, now you can use your welding gloves until you're blue in the face, right? They're great things to use, but I find these really handy. Fireslap, great little glove. That insulation on the inside allows me to pick up that hot charcoal and move it around in this fire tray without really, I can, move that down there without getting burnt. Not that you'd really be holding it for too long. But yeah, enjoying this cook up on this lovely Sunday afternoon here in Sydney, and we'll take some photos later and see how it's going. Take it easy, legends.